Today, a quick channel update from me, and also I will reveal who won the Osmo Action Filter set from Polar Pro. Hey guys, welcome back, and a quick update from me. I am on the road, as you can tell. I am not in my usual studio. But first, check out this view outside real quick. Check out those mountains. We got a little bit of snow dusting. Well, I'd call it more than a dusting. Anyways, a quick update from me. I'm finally going to do it. I've been thinking about it for months, probably even years. I'm going to build my own drone. Yep, that's right. Now, building your own drone does not mean you're going to wire all the capacitors and things on the PCB board to program your own flight controller. Nowadays, there are pieces you can buy off the shelf, which you kind of cobble together, and you have to also do some soldering. But yeah, I'm going to do it. This Black Friday, there was a deal on the DJI FPV system. If you're not familiar with that, it's essentially comes with these goggles which you put on, and then there's a camera which you can put on a drone, and then you see what the drone sees. Now, if you're used to DJI drones, that's not a very new thing, but this system offers very low latency, so it can be used on drone. Maybe you've seen the DRL kind of racing drones, or any kind of racing or freestyle drone, where they are way more agile than the normal DJI off-the-shelf drone, and that's what I'm going to build. I picked out a frame, I've picked out motors, I've picked out a flight controller, ESC, GPS chip. There's all kinds of things to figure out before you just kind of build one of these things. I've done that all. Weeks of research went into this, and the drone parts are arriving. So stay tuned, it's going to be very exciting. I want to see if I can get it into the air. Yeah, it's pretty nuts, but I'll tell you guys more about it as I do it. Maybe I'll do a video about it. Let me know if you guys are interested in the comments below of me trying to build this drone. Should I document it, or do you guys want to just see the final result? Just stay tuned for some exciting things. I will, of course, continue to make exciting content and helpful content on the Mavic 2 Pro, the Mavic Mini, all the DJI drones that we've gotten used to and love to use. So don't fear, I'm not going to stop making content which you subscribe for. I just want to kind of get into this kind of freestyle cinematic FPV video drone scene. And I figured this is a great time to do it, because until now, these racing drones that you've seen, they used to only communicate via analog signal. So on these goggles that which you saw people wear, they would get half the time just static and very pixelated and basically almost unusable video feeds, in my opinion. And now we've made the leap into the digital realm. DJI did it. They brought out the FPV system, which is all digital. So you get a much, much clearer image. And the technology they use is pretty incredible. When the signal fades, digital signal is either all there or nothing. So you expect if the signal degrades that you just see black. But it's not quite like that. Sure, when you get to the edge of the range, it's like that. But first, there's a thing called focus mode. So the transmission strength is focused around the center of the image. And then so you see the center clear, and the outside will start getting pixelated. And that's when you know that the signal is getting weak. Of course, there's different on-screen display elements. But that's just one of the ways you see, okay, maybe you shouldn't go further and risk losing signal completely. Anyhow, it's very nerdy, and I'm very excited about it, in case you can't tell. So I hope that interests you guys. Let me know in the comments below if, like I said, if you want me to document the build process so you can maybe do it eventually, or if you guys just want to see the final result. I'm kind of toying around with a couple ideas of what I want to do. All right, enough of that. Let's get to the filter giveaway. Now, if you are new to the channel, or maybe you didn't see the video, be sure to check it out. You can check it out right here. You click that little I button there, the little card will pop down, and you can check out the video. I went to a wakeboard park in Kiefersfelden, Bavaria. That's essentially as far south as you can get and still be in Bavaria, very close to the Austrian border. The kind of hills and mountains you see from there are in Austria, so very far south there. And I went to a wakeboard park where they pull you along on a cable. No boats, no jet skis. There's just this cable that goes around this lake, and it can pull up to 10 or 12 people at the same time. It's pretty cool. So be sure to check out that video. Anyways, in that video, I did a contest, the first one on the channel. And I asked you guys to send me an email if you're interested in winning the Osmo Action Filters. So a bunch of you guys did that, so thank you for doing that. And today we're gonna raffle off the winner. Now, for some reason that video didn't gain a lot of traction, which is fine. The YouTube algorithm does its thing. But those of you which entered the contest I'm going to raffle off the filters now. All right, so we're gonna go with a random number generator here, and I'm gonna pick a random winner. So you can see here. All right, so John, congrats, man. The Polar Pro Vivid Collection Osmo Action Filters are coming your way. I've sent all your details on to Polar Pro, and they're gonna get that out to you. So, hey, congrats, man, and thanks for joining the first Quadcopterguide contest. If you guys are interested in more, stay tuned. I'll do a couple more contests in the future, of course. And let me know, I want to know from you guys in the comments below, what should I kind of do as a contest or giveaway when I reach 10,000 subscribers? We've seen some very explosive growth over the last couple months, and we're right around the, I don't know, 6.2K mark. When I reach 10,000 subscribers, what do you guys want to see as a giveaway? Don't know if something huge like a drone is in the budget, but hey, let me know all your different ideas. Can't wait to see what you guys want given away. Of course, some of you guys will say Phantom 4 or Mavic 2 Pro. Unfortunately, I don't see that being in the cards, but hey, you never know. Also, some smaller things or accessories. What do you guys want given away for the 10,000 subscriber mark? Continue to cross your fingers and squeeze your thumbs that we see the 10,000 subscriber mark soon. No matter where you are, enjoy some of that weather outside, even though it's chilly. Maybe it's warm where you live. Get out there and enjoy it, and perhaps get a couple of drone flights in. All right, guys, take care, and in the meantime, check out some of this other great content.